Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm going to continue fixing my tests. So last episode we left with at least being able to build rocks with all the changes to the we added invocation expression to all the diagnostics. So now we need to fix all the tests and that's going to be fun. So before we do that, let's at least commit what we have done so we don't lose that. Updated all diagnostics to use invocation expression location. There, that's good enough. And then we'll push that up. Okay. All right. So now we have tests to fix. Okay. Why does bin show up here? That's bizarre. Like, why would it actually show bin there? I don't think I have that as a... I mean, I guess I could tell it to ignore it, but I don't know why it shows up in here. It doesn't show the obj folder. That's just weird. Okay, anyway. So with tests, we definitely have issues. So let's start addressing those. And this should be fun. Mock model tests. And this is going to be a cacophony of hatred, because I need to figure out now when I am doing this, I'm saying get the type and then create. And this is for mock model tests. Yeah, it's because I took shortcuts. Now I can continue to take shortcuts. And what do I mean by that? Because the mock model doesn't care how you give it the type symbol. It just uses that. Okay. But why I can cheat on here a little bit is to say, well, I also need an invocation. The invocation can just be anything. It can be any type of node coming out of this. So I can say something like, find an invocation that has a name of a certain thing. Yeah, with all these up here. Oh my God. What was I thinking? It just has to be an invocation expression. It doesn't even have to be in the code that I'm giving it. I can fake one, right? Isn't there a SyntaxFactory dot invocation expression? Yeah. My son is insisting on showing me something right now, and I'm like, I'm recording. Can you just wait? Yeah, he said, okay, good. Okay, so I want to say invocation expression. So is there a really easy way to do it? No, there isn't. I could say SyntaxFactory parse expression and get an expression syntax off of it, right? So let's assume I did that and did something like public static void foo. It doesn't matter what this does. Okay. Now, can I say SyntaxFactory.invocation expression? Creates a new invocation expression instance off of that. So can we save our invocation? Now, of course, the problem is I can't really test any of this until I do this, because I can say now here, I want to return an invocation expression syntax. And then here, yes, invocation. Yeah, it's just that simple. So I'm going to have invocation here, and then I can pass that into here. This is feeling a little dirty, but it works. And that's all we care about. So then here we could say, and then, sure, why not? It shouldn't matter. It's just, it's a node that has no context to, we're just assuming what you're giving it is correct. So I'll do that. Invocation. And come on, be smart. Be smart. How dare you not be smart? Go down here. And then, come on, do it, do it, do it. That should all go away. Yes. I was talking with my older son. He's thinking about getting a computer. And I'm also thinking about getting a desktop, maybe to use that for recording or whatnot. But okay, so because then it would hopefully make this be a little bit quicker. Okay, so we have integration tests, we have tests. Get these messages and warnings out of here. That's just making it. And then, okay, what do we got here? Come on. Come on. We can do the same thing that we were doing here. I'm almost positive. Because why are you not dragging all the way down here? Jesus. We can fake it until we make it, right? Of course, it's assuming that all this is actually going to work, and we don't know that. No, why would you? So we have invocation being passed in here, right? And we don't actually look at the title, ID, severity. Yeah, we are actually looking at, okay, I don't believe that solved everything. Yeah, the integration test shouldn't matter. Yeah, there's more here. Oh, there's so much more. But I think we can fake it the way we have been faking it, right? Yes. And then we say here, yep. And then let's just keep going up the list. Then you're there. And then we'll do you. And it's basically going to be like all of the descriptor ones that are having the issues. But of course, when we actually run the tests, all the locations of the errors are going to be probably wrong. So there's going to be a handful of tests where the locations have to be changed. Get projected, evaluated, evaluation delegate fully qualified. Oh God, what? Well, this isn't a test. Oh, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care what that is. Again, feels a little sketchy, but we really do not care about the thing, because this is just saying, oh, it's that, and it's only using that invocation for diagnostics. That's the only reason it's using it for now. And if we change that, well, then, you know, we've got tests to cover it, right? Now, I've noticed that there is an error in code generation tests because of us needing to pass in, I think, the is valid target. Now, again, I don't think we're getting the type definition from these packages that we're using, and we're just putting in the type definition there to get a symbol, right? Yeah, the property syntax, we're getting its property actually is single, and then we get the declared symbol, and we get the type of the property, and that's actually the thing we're trying to mock. So we don't care about the invocation here again. And now everything should build. Doesn't mean the tests run, it just means everything should build. And it does succeed. So before we forget, let's got everything to compile, still need to fix some tests with diagnostic location changes. Okay. Now I'm going to run the tests once I see that everything committed. And this is the first time I'm actually going to do this, which is to pause both my sound recorder and Camtasia at the same time. And then when I come back, I have to remember to unpause both of them, because if I don't, things are going to get screwed up. But hopefully so that I'm not running stuff while I'm doing this. And that'll be a good test to see, can I get into that mode. Again, I don't like that I have to have two buttons because it's going to be so easy to forget to hit one to start up again, but I got to get used to that. So I'm going to run all tests, find out where all the errors are, and then we'll see what we need to fix. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back, and hopefully everything is aligning and everything looks good. Okay, so you'll see here that we got 9, I think it's 9. Yeah, 9 tests that are failing. And I think all of them are like this, where the diagnostic was actually supposed to start here, but doesn't start there, and all that stuff. So let's get to it. Let's fix all these because we need to. So the span of Rock 10 now, wait, that's what we expected. It's actually this. Okay. And does that make sense? Because 27, yeah, it was 20 is up here, I bet. And so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's close. So that's Rock 10. Now what's interesting is that it doesn't bark about the 9 one. But whatever. Well, or did it? Was there 2? Okay, so this is the same thing. So the Rock 10 one. And it's interesting because we have 9 there and it's not showing up in the list like it's something that should be a diagnostic that happens. Okay, whatever. Who am I to question what I wrote? If that makes any sense. No. Go back here. This is again 10. These are all 10, right? Well, then they should all be this, because that's where I'm just curious. If I do this, does it pass now? Yeah, it does pass. Okay, so that's good. Actually, then let's go to these and just change both of them, because even if this second one isn't showing up for some reason, why? Thank you. Then we've got both of them correct, because what I just did should have all of them going on the diagnostic of the invocation. I've had too much coffee this morning. Can you tell? Okay, this one I don't think I fixed. So actual diagnostic should be a 27. Oh, that's a CS. No, we don't want to change that. We want to change ours, but yeah, not those. Because those are just where they happen, if that makes sense. Okay, non-public. This is Rock 8. And then we do that. And then we come down here and we want it to be that. And that's down here. Yes. Rock 12. I should just put 12 in there. I don't know why I'm putting Rock 12 there, but whatever. Actually. Well, no, I don't, because I don't have. Oh, well, sometimes you get lucky. Because that should be the ID. Yep. Okay. I don't know why I just did that in the test originally. It was actually here. And let's go over here and change that, because that should be that one. Yeah, and that shows that in the makes as well, that there may be problems. And let's do that. Go into that code. Change that. And then there's one more right here. Okay. So we've changed everything now. Okay. So I'm going to run the tests for here. I'll come back and we'll see if we've got any left that I screwed up on. Okay. So all of them passed now. So that's good. I'm going to off camera do the shutdown startup again, run all the integration tests, run all the code generation tests, and make sure that they all pass. And if there's any issues, I will bring that up in the next episode, starting off that way. But I'm pretty convinced that now that I have these correct, now the errors will show up on the invocation, which is exactly what we want. And then I'm going to move back to the obsolete stuff and work on that thing. So that is the plan for future episodes. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.